Hi, you're welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to serve as a user manual to the Ambitious Smart Extension Board. So today, I'm going to guide you on how to set up Ben Ambitious Inventions Smart Extension Board in case you purchase one. So without wasting much time, let's get started. To begin, there are few things we need to take care of or notice. Number one is the Ambitious Smart Extension Board works with a Wi-Fi. So you need a Wi-Fi in your room to make the extension board work well. Or if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can use your phone's hotspot and provide internet access to the smart extension board. But one disadvantage of using your phone's hotspot is that once you leave the coverage area or once you leave home, the extension board loses connection and you cannot control the extension board off because it has lost connection. So you cannot control the extension board. But if you have Wi-Fi in your room, once the extension board is connected to the Wi-Fi in your room, you can leave to anywhere you are going. Then you can control the socket without any stress. Regardless of your location, you can still control the smart extension board because it has connection to the internet. So today I have a demonstration to show you. I have with me here a MiFi. So better still, you can use this small MiFi to provide internet access to the smart extension board. If you already have a larger Wi-Fi in your house, no problem, you can use that one as well. So this is what is going to give us internet access today for the setup. If you don't have one of these, you can use another phone. So let's assume this is a phone and this is also another phone. And this is the phone I want to use to control the smart extension board. This is the personal phone I'm using to control the smart extension board. And then I want to set up. So the first setup, you will need another phone. That other phone will serve as a hotspot or internet access. So the other phone will serve as internet access. So you turn on the hotspot on the other phone. Then you connect this phone to the hotspot as well. So after connecting to the hotspot, then you begin with the processes I'm going to show you. It is the same process after the connection. So stay tuned as I take you through the process. The smart extension board works with Ewelink app. So the first thing we need to do here is to go ahead and download the Ewelink app from Google Play Store. So the first thing, you go to Google Play Store, then you search for Ewelink. Ewelink. So you wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. So right now, we are going to put this down so that we can focus and do the connection well. So once you have internet access, which is a Wi-Fi in your room, maybe it is Starlink or whatever, MTN, fiber band or wherever, or broadband data. Once you have it, you can just put it down. Then you focus on the connection. So to begin with the connection, the phone that you are going to use must be connected to the same Wi-Fi you want to do the connection with. And that same Wi-Fi will be connected to the smart extension board as well. So I'm going to guide you on how to connect the smart extension board to the Wi-Fi as well. And then you turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile phone. So that one is currently providing us with the internet access. I would like to talk about few features of the Ambitious Smart Extension Board. Number one, it has two double sockets. One of them is just standard socket, which is controlled manually, just as traditional socket. And then the second one is smart socket. That one is being controlled by a smart device, which will be controlled through an app, which can also be controlled through Google Voice Assistant or Siri as well. So that one is the one feature about it. And then the other feature is that you can control it once the socket is connected to a device, to an internet access in your room. Wherever you go, you can still control the smart extension board regardless of your location. Then another one is that you can set a timer for the smart extension board. Let's say you're about to sleep and you want to set a timer that in 2 hours time your extension board should turn off. You can set the timer through the app so that in 2 hours time exactly the socket or the socket, which is the smart socket, will go off automatically. And then you can provide schedule for it as well to repeat continuously, maybe daily. Every day, 6 a.m. you should turn on, 6 p.m. you should turn off. All these settings can be done on the Ewelink app. And again, you can connect it or link it to Google Assistant or Siri shortcut so that you can use voice commands such as Hey Google, turn on my socket. Hey Google, turn off ambitious smart socket. Hey Google, turn on ambitious smart socket. All these voice assistants can be used to control the socket. You can as well say, Hey Google, in 2 hours time, turn off ambitious smart socket, and it's going to do exactly as you say. So let's head to the Ewelink app and begin with a connection. So right now I've finished downloading the app. So since I have finished downloading the app, we head into the Ewelink app, then we open it. So we open the Ewelink app. So when you open the Ewelink app, this is the first interface you are going to see. So this is the interface you are going to see. So you scroll through, then you click on the start. You click on agree. So let's say we are new users to this. So let's set up with our email and then enter our password as well. So we are new, so let's click on register. You can maintain the country as well, or you can decide to change it to, I'm currently in Ghana, so I'm changing it to Ghana. Then after that, you click on next. Then I enter my email. So let's use this email. So a verification code will be sent to us in few minutes. So the verification code has been sent to us, and you go and search for the verification code, then you enter it. Then you enter your email password. So after entering your verification code and password, then you click on done. So when you open the interface of the app, this is how the interface of the application looks like. So you click on start. So this is how actually the interface will look like. So before we click on the add, there is something we need to do about the extension board. And it's just simple. You just need to connect the extension board to your wall outlet. Right now, the extension board is connected to a wall outlet, and you can see that this socket is already on because this is not the smart socket and it is already on. So what we need to do is that we want to set this device into pairing mode. So we click on this device, or we long press it for 5 to 6 seconds. So it will be blinking repeatedly twice, then stays on for a while. Then now it's in pairing mode, so we can click on add. So you allow, so you need to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. So you need to find the password of your Wi-Fi and then enter it. After that, then you click on next. Then you allow everything that counts. So it will be scanning for available devices. And right now it shows here. So CK102AE 199E. So this is the device that has been found. So once the device is found, you can click on it and make changes to it by changing the name to Ambitious Smart Socket. Then we click on the plus sign on the side of the device that has been found. So we can see that it has shown that it is connecting. So we wait small for the connection to finish. Once it's done, then we change the name as well. So it has finished and it has checked. So device AE199. So let's click on it and change the name of the device. So we can click on next. So when you click on next, then we click on the pencil icon to change the name. So let's change the name to Ambitious Smart Socket. Then we add room. So we have to assign it to a room. So you can click on bedroom to assign it to a room. So once you click on the bedroom, then you click on done. Then that's all. You see that at first it was blinking, but right now the switch is constantly on. It means that it has connected. So when you finish, then you click on next, then you click on done. You can also share this. You can share it to your family, or maybe you are staying in the room with someone. So you can share it with a person so that you and the person can be controlling it as well. So when you are not around, the person can be controlling it as well. So if you want to share, you can share. If you don't want to, you can click on done to finish. So right now the socket has been connected to the app and we are almost done. So let's test it and see. So right now the socket is in the is in the off state. The smart socket is off state. So we click on it, then we click on the switch once. So you see that it is on. Then when you click on it again, it will turn off. Okay, so this is how it actually works. For this one, it is manually controlled. So this one is not a smart. Only this one is the smart one. So this one is not a smart. Only this one is the smart, which is being controlled from here. If you don't want to use your phone or your phone is not around to, you can just click on this button here to turn it on and then off. Turn it on, then off as well. So that's how to set up the Ambitious Smart Extension Board. Let us go to the Ewelink app and let me show you how you can set timer for it. So when you come to the app, this is how the interface looks. So here, then you click on the Ambitious Smart Socket. Then you come to timer. So when you come to timer, there is no timer setup. So you click on add. So you add the hours you want the extension board whether to turn on or off. So maybe in 1 hour 30 minutes time it should turn on or off. So let's choose 1 minute. So let's choose 0 hours, then 1 minute, then it's currently off. So the action should be on. then you click on save, and after that you save it again. So you will see that in 1 minute time it will turn on automatically. So let's change it to the off state. So in 1 minute time it should turn off. So let's wait and see. In 1 minute time it should go off as we wait to see. So once the time changes, it will go off automatically without you touching anything. It doesn't use seconds, it uses minutes. So the minute that you set it, if the time changes to the next minute, it will turn off automatically. So as you see, it was 15, it changed to 16, then it turned off automatically. I hope this guide help you to set up the ambitious smart extension board successfully. If you have any complaint or any problem, you can drop it in the comment section and I will reach out to you. In case of any further clarification, you can reach out to us on email at benambitiousinventions@gmail.com. benambitiousinventions@gmail.com. As well as you can contact me through WhatsApp on 0540 558852. 0540 558852. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy your purchase. Thank you for supporting the dream. See you next time as we bring new innovation to change the world. Thank you.